I'm going to show you how to create a Magic 8 Ball using Microbit. First of all, you need to open the Microbit app and click on Create Code. From here, you're then going to open a new project and you're going to name that project Magic 8 Ball. This will then open up the blocks page where you're going to start creating your code. You will notice there's 2 blocks on there already. We don't need those, so we can just drag and drop those over to the menu and delete them. We're going to start by clicking on Input and adding a block that says On Shake. We then want to go into our basic menu and attach a clear screen block to the inside of that. We then want to create a variable. So you'll need to click on the Variables menu and create a new variable. Name this variable set2. Drag and drop this over to your coding below clear screen. You then want to change the drop-down menu on this variable from set2 to number. We're now going to go into the math menu and we're going to drag across the pick random block and we're going to attach that to our variable. We're then going to change the value from 1 to 3. Now we want to click on the logic menu because we need to add an if-else block to our coding. Click on the little plus at the bottom because we actually want 3 different types of answers here. Then we're going to go back into the logic menu and we need to add the comparison block that has the equal symbol in the middle. Attach this to the top of your if block. We want to change the variables now, so change the first variable to a number and the second variable you're just going to change the value to 3. Below this you're going to go back into the basic menu and you're going to add a show icon block and you just want to change the image to a tick. For the else if, you're also going to add in a comparison block and you're going to do the same thing with that by changing the first variable to number and then the second variable you're going to change the value to 2. Then you're going to add in your show icon block from the basic menu and you're going to change this to a cross. Then for your else block, you're just going to click on the basic menu and add a show icon block. And this time you just want to add a question mark image. Now in the top left, you can play your code and you can test it to make sure that it works. If you're happy with your code, then you can click download and start transferring to your Microbit. Good luck!